Hey all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So, you would already be knowing by now that I have been posting regular posts in the integration playlist, and like yeah, you can see there is roadmap, there is scripted REST API use cases of all the types, there is authentication, dynamic input, SOAP, submitting catalog requests using integration, interview questions, part 1. There is aggregate API, attachment API, import set API, transform scripts, transform app, and everything is from scratch. Full implementation is shown. There is positive and negative testing, and there is also documentation provided. So yeah, you will be getting everything. So my inbound integration was finished in day 15th video, which was inbound email action. And like this was like from last video I started outbound integration, and I took up ServiceNow to ServiceNow integration first. So yeah, and let me just show you the documentation for it. Okay, it should be in the comment only, the link. Yeah yeah so yeah so the last video contained like basic to get methods. I'll just show you also by opening that rest message which I created. So it contained basic get method. Yeah. And so today's video I'm going to demonstrate one of the very common use cases, which is syncing incidents creation from one incident to another, one instance to another instance. Okay, this is like these are the use cases that I had shown. So one of these use cases I'm going to demonstrate today. Okay, so yeah, for let me give you a little background knowledge. For this I will be considering my company instance. Okay, and this I will be considering the this instance, like, okay, let's just skip that. Yeah, so this instance I'll be considering my service provider instance. So the scenario is like incidents are created here, which is the main production instance of the company, but the incident solving and handling all the things are done by the service provider, and the company doesn't wants to give like too much access to them, or any or any access to them in the production instance. So they are working on this they are working on this instance. So that's the reason we need syncing of incidents. Like that's one scenario, and also like many scenarios are shown here. You can take up any of them and work on them. Okay, so yeah, let me just show you. Let's begin. And I'm not putting any conditions in this video, so yeah, like it's bare. So this was the rest message that are that I had created, and basic auth I had chosen for authentication. Profile also had created. You can check out the last video if you have not yet, and if you're new to outbound integration completely, so you must check out that. And if you're not new, you can begin from here definitely. Okay, so yeah, these are the simple get methods that I had demonstrated in the last video. So yeah, let's begin. Sync incident creation. Okay, and I'll choose it to post. The endpoint will be what, the endpoint in which the API endpoint in which incident is created in this instance. Okay, so yeah, this is my API endpoint for service provider instance, and I'll just replace this table name with incident. Authentication is inherited from parent, which is basic auth type. I already showed you. In headers I'll just pass content type and I'll pass accept, and the values will be application or JSON for both of them. Yeah, so yeah, in content how do we pass, like this is how do we pass the request body here. We pass it like this, right? I have already just given a little bit of here, and you can see this is the way we pass request body here to create incident. So this is the exact request body we have to pass in the content here. Okay, like this is service now to service now, that's why I am able to show it using REST API Explorer. But if it is your third party instance, any kind of integration, then they will provide you the API documentation which they will accept the this request body. So you will have to give it in the same way. Here I'll be giving it in this way. Okay, So let's just create here only, and I'll just copy paste it, and I will be okay, yeah, and I'll be demonstrating three methods from crude to like most used, which will be automation. So the first method that I'm showing just now, this is the crudest method. Like, you just write down whatever you want to pass in the content type in the REST API Explorer, you copy the request body and just paste it here. That is the crudest, means there is no modification, only whatever is passed here will go there in your that instance, your target instance or service provider instance, whatever you say. So okay, caller, let's just take up any caller from here. I'm taking Ellen Motrin. Okay, and caller is there, then assignment group I'll take. Assignment group also I will just take change management from here. Okay, and state I will give 2. Okay, and what else I can give? I can give channel. Okay, was that contact type? Yeah, contact type, that I will give phone. Okay, and short description that I will give first post incident uh, by @servicenow developer to this is the instance. Yeah, the same thing I will just copy in description also. Okay. Mm, okay, and what else we can pass? I think impact and urgency also we can pass. Yeah, I'll just give 2, and value as 2 for both of them. Yeah, so I think this much is sufficient. This much is sufficient. And let's just paste this here. Okay, so yeah, this is the value that I'll be passing. Okay, let's just save it. Okay, field and values directly I have given, so let's just test it. Yeah, so you can see that it has given me a result root array, and it has, in this root array there are various values. Okay, which means the incident has been created. So the number also it has provided me. Let's just check out whatever values we had provided is there or not. Okay, yeah, the incident is created definitely in this instance. So yeah, you can see the values are also provided as at passed, impact urgency, channel phone is state in progress, assignment group is change management. So yeah, everything is passed as I required. Okay, so I actually don't want to see so much in the response body. I just want to see some fields which I had passed. So yeah, that I'll be modifying right now. Okay, because it seems too much crowded. So some important things only I want, that is number, short description, priority. Okay, priority. Yeah, description, caller ID. What else? Assignment group. Yeah, what else? Channel. No, that was I think contact type. Okay, and what else? Category and subcategory. Yeah, this much I want. And I don't want any backend like sys id values. I don't want. I want to see what is the value that I have passed is correct or not. So I just want the display values, so I'm passing this. If you don't recognize these, please check out the day 1 video for REST API Explorer. I have explained the parameters that we need to pass, and also you can check out the previous video. There also have explained, okay, the last day videos. Yeah, and same spam exclude reference link. This also, because I don't want the reference links of that also I don't want. So yeah, let's test it again. So another incident will be created with the same values. I think I should have changed the value, but that's fine. You can see it has given me the incident number and short description. Contact type is phone, assignment group is change management, link is this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, this is the link of for the incident. Yeah, this is the caller ID. Yeah, I don't know why I am thinking that reference links are still okay. I have given wrong spelling here. That's why I'm still getting the reference links. It should be spam. I have given this wrong spelling. Okay, that is it. Now that this was about wave 1. Okay, now for wave 2 I want to make it dynamic, means if we are passing like concrete values, then every time this rest message or this http method within the rest message is called, it will create the incident with same values again and again. We don't want that. We want it to be dynamic, like whatever values I have passed, it creates with that values only every time. I want dynamic values. Okay, so that's what I will be doing. So for dynamic value we don't have to do much. We just need to like create variables here, uh, which I'm creating right now. And you can name the variable anything. I'm naming them the same as the backend field so that I am able to recognize it like correctly, that whatever value had passed, it is that value or not. So yeah, it doesn't, the variable name doesn't really matters, but I think you should pass it something like which is recognizable. Okay, which you are able to easily recognize. Yeah. Okay, same I will do with description also, impact and urgency as well. mm, yeah, yeah. So this is the dynamic. I have made it dynamic variables kind of things. So let's just auto generate the variables. Okay, so you can see these are the auto generated, yeah, these are the auto generated variables. Now for the assignment group, let's just copy some other value from here. Okay, we will be copying ATF test group network. Okay, and for the caller ID also, let's copy somebody else. Let's take Alan. Okay, category this time let's pass network. Okay, and contact type let's pass email. Description let's pass second post testing incident. Yeah, by same. Okay, impact, again I'll keep two only, I mean don't really want. Okay, same thing I'll pass in short description also. Okay, state again I'll keep two only, like in progress. Subcategory, I don't know. Okay, okay, category I chosen network, so subcategory I'll choose wireless, and urgency I'll give 2. Yeah. So these are the values I want to pass for now. So I have already passed the values. Let's test. Yeah, so this is the way to, you can see the HTTP status that it has returned us is 201, and yeah, this is the number that it has given us, short description, contact type. Yeah, so everything is good. Let's just see this incident for once. in the second instance. Yeah, great. So yeah, it's created as expected, and it's working perfectly fine. Yeah. So the now we are done with the second method also. Like I already showed you, static values we are passing. Second is dynamic values we are passing. Now third is I wanted to automate it. Like as soon as incident is created in this instance, whatever values I am passing while creating the incident, the same incident should be created in my this service provider instance also. Okay, so for that, let's first copy the script. You can just click on preview script usage in the related links. The script for this REST message will come up, as you can see. So this script we can use in any server side scripting. Like you can use it in business rule, in flow designer, in transform scripts, in any in any schedule jobs, any script includes, like in anything you can use this, like based on your use case. In anything, I'm using the most frequent used tool or weapon that we have, which is business rule, because I just want it to create incident as soon as incident is created here. So my use case is quite simple. Yeah, you can keep on adding conditions and modify it as per your requirement. Okay, so yeah. So sync incidents with, just want the instance name. Target table will be incident. Yeah. When to run, I'll just click on advanced. So I want it to run before insert. Okay, and there are no further conditions for this. Okay, it will run once only for each incident. Once it is inserted, at that time it will run. Okay, and I just want to update the work nodes. Oh, sorry, wait, I'm sorry. Okay, seems like it. Not work note list. Okay. Maybe something comments not coming up. No. Okay, then in that case, I'll just be, updating the description. Uh, uh, uh. Yeah, I'll just be updating the description. Same incident has been created. Okay, now I get it. Now I get it. The record is not saved. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, incident has been created in this instance. Yeah, this instance. This is what I want the description to be updated. Now next I'll just copy the script that we have copied from there. I don't need these comments, I'm just removing them. Yeah, so as you can see, for now you are seeing that it is having static values, like as we had passed in our where it was, sorry. Yeah, as we had passed in our variable substitutions, the same values it has taken. Okay, so just instead of these values, what I want is this particular incident's value should be going. Like I want this incident's caller ID to go, I want this incident's category to go. Okay, and same I want with subcategory. Okay, contact type also. Yeah, impact also. Hmm. Subcategory. Uh, 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 think short description also I want. Same only to go. Current dot short description. And assignment group also same I want. Okay, if the same exists, that is okay. Let it be. Let's just try. If the user doesn't exist there, at most it will not take that value. Oh, not a bother. An urgency and impact as well. Not urgency and current dot state. Okay, impact I've already passed. Yeah, so now what it will do, as soon as there is insert here, there is insert operation in the database going on, at the same time this will trigger, means same insert will happen there also in this instance. Okay, let's just save it. Okay, meanwhile it's saving, let's create an incident. Open the incident form and be ready to create an incident. Mhm. So caller, let's pass any user which we already know is present there, like Alejandro. Yeah. Category I want database. Subcategory I want DB2. Server. Okay. Now this is third post incident testing. Yeah. Same thing I'll pass in description also. Just sorry. Okay. Channel I'll pass self-service. State I'll pass in progress. Impact I want 2 and this also I want 2. Well, let's go with 1. Okay. And assignment group, let's take something which should also be present there. Okay. HR things won't be present there, so let's take application development. It would be there. Yeah, so let's just save it. Yeah, so you see, description has been updated, same incident has been created in this. Why? Because in the actions I had given that description should be updated to this. So let's just copy this short description and check in this instance. Incident dot filter. Okay, short description is mm, yeah, so you can see the incident here and the values are exactly same as what we passed here. Hmm. Like Alessandro Maskell category and then short description, channel, state, everything that we passed in this incident is the same in this incident as well, in this instance as well. So yeah, you can customize it more and more as per your requirement. I hope everything is clear, and this was the third way, which is automation. Yeah, so please like, share and subscribe. I hope you learned a lot. You can check out all the documentations, check out the links in the pinned comment section. In the description you will find even more information. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, and also you can join the WhatsApp group if you are interested. Like, documents are shared, learning, sharing, queries asking, and like, yeah, things are going on there. So yeah, that is it. Thank you. Bye bye.